I know how to play polish. Yeah, I added to reset my game. I had to reset my game. My game. Yeah, I'm stuck. What are we gonna play as, the family or the? Alright, I created the party. I would have to send you it. I'm level 7. Yeah, I invited everybody. Do you guys want to play as family or victims? Okay, I'll be Leatherface. Because Leatherface is hard to play as and I'm good with him. If I was you, I would pick Hitchhiker, and Wyatt, I guess you could pick Johnny. Johnny or his sister, either one. Leatherface always have to stay in the basement though. I'm playing as Leatherface. He's hard to play as. So Wyatt's Leatherface. Hitchhiker can set down bear traps. Like that. So like, whatever killer you want to be, just go to that guy, click it. Ooh. Beat it, wait. The cook, okay. Be Johnny. We do need a hitchhiker though. Because a hitchhiker can set traps and carries a lot of blood on him. And then after this one, do you guys want to do victims? So as victims, you can't really make that much noise. You have to stay sneaky. If you make too much noise, they can come to you. Oh God. So Wyatt, whatever map it is, always place a trap at the front door. People run through the front door more than the back door.
3 adolescent vandals have been terrorizing the city of Lexington, Texas.
And Family Home's a good map for it too. For Hitchhiker. So if it's not family map, then just put like a trap like at the back door and front door. Oh no. Oh guys, when you like hunt down the victims, like how it says execute the victims, that's me. Look at the kill that I do. That's me. I'm about to kill. up D-pad and hit RT, not RB, and then that's all you can do. Oh, you're smart. That I have to destroy it. That gives you time running away. Bro, you gotta be kidding. Oh, correct blood. If you find blood, correct it. No, you can't. Bro, this is stupid. I'm just wondering. Oh my god! Come here. Oh, it's running. Wait, bro. These dang tables! Why is there so much tables have to be in a basement? What? Hello, broski. Come back. What are you? Come here. Just wait. Wait. Don't let them escape. Grandpa's awake. I killed somebody. So the guy that said, yeah, when it said the guy got executed, that means a killer killed somebody. No, yellow is, if you see yellow all the time, that's Grandpa. But once Grandpa finds somebody, then once his yellow fall away from him, that's a guy. Oh, I found somebody. Got him! I got 2 kills already. Hunt down final victim. Who? Oh, they left. This quick match of victims. Somebody feed Grandpa upstairs. Feed Grandpa. The yellow thing. Go to the yellow outline thing. Bro, what if he makes way too much noise? I'm coming upstairs to feed Grandpa. LB. LB's the one. And all cheese to hit. And up D-pad to use your power. Kill him. Oh. Oh. If you see the last victim, kill him. There's 1 victim left for us to kill, boys. Grandpa, he's in like, so you see the guy that's in the wheelchair? Yeah, that's Grandpa. That's Grandpa. Wow, how do you get out of the basement? I have blood for Grandpa. I have 81 out of my blood. That's so much blood I need. That's my chainsaw. Oh, that killed her. Kill her then. Go like track her down. Go find her. Oh, by the way, if you're up D-pad power, you can see footsteps. You have to. Well, I don't even know how to get the heck out of the. Yeah, you can track her down. Johnny can track her down. Oh my God! Finally, I can go upstairs. Underwear. She's going down for the basement, I think, but I'm down here. Ah. That girl takes 6 shots to kill her. I had 3 kills. I basically carried the whole team. Well, no, I had 2 kills, not 3, because the one dude left. The third guy left. I'm level 8. Who killed her? Oh, you killed her, Dad. So, are we gonna play as victims? No, we're playing as
You've been captured by the Slaughter family.
Whoops. Sometimes the victims are fun to play as, though. Because when me and Jordan played with Ben and Giovanni, Jordan legit broke their ankles 2 times, or not 5 times. And I was like, jeez. Oh. Yes. Indeed we are. Yes. No, I already choose it. What's the map? Oh, God. That sucks. I survived until 5 minutes.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria
So,
native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that these abandoned search
so we have to open these 2 boxes and find them. Unlock the basement,
family and
like unlock it,
urging
and
anyone
run away, like go to the exit. Alright, so don't make noise. So like, you see that like speaker thing? Don't like press it. You made noise! Who made noise? Oh my God, bro. Well, I'm dead with you. Dad, wait.
What's going on? What are they doing to us?
One of the family people are by. Oh, it's Butterface. Is AFK? Hell no. When you see Grandpa work, stay still. Shit. God damn it. What? I have have a problem. What if he's saying AFK?
Gotta get out of here.
Where is he? Oh God! Oh, that scared me. Stay still, stay still. Who moved? You, what do you mean you unlocked? What kind of door was it? Does it reach you upstairs? Oh my, you unlocked the basement door, which we didn't need to unlock because we could have already. Who killed you? Okay. What did they have? What kind of weapon did they have? A crow. Wyatt, what kind of crow? What did they have? Like a knife or a crowbar? That's the cook. He's fast. Watch out. Oh my God! Well, there's a Redderface and the cook's after me. Redderface and the cook's after me. If you find like a little bottle drink, pick it up. That's health. What do you mean? Why do you say that? No, run. So hold LB and hit A. Press A, like a million times. Hold LB and press A a million times. No, Redderface! Somebody's dying. Who's dying? Who just died? Cook. Oh, oh,
I'm over here.
Yes, I can use that.
Move! Move! Whoa. Cook did not see me. Cook's blind. Oh, shh! Oh! I'm breaking his ankles. Oh yeah,